Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is the Hyundai Elantra or Elantra N. This has a 2.0 liter turbocharged gasoline engine that does about 280 PS, so maybe we're looking at 278 horsepower. So let's check out the car. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. The front fascia, yes, it is another monstrosity. Like this kind of angles you would just find in cars like Lamborghini. I think so, at least in my standards. Just look at this. So this is like the Type R of Hyundai. So let's check it out. The front fascia has lots of plastic, yes, black plastic. The color is just popping. Nice lower lip with a grayish color. Active side vents. Turn signals, daytime running light. Just look how it was designed. Please do let me know what you think about it. Black color inside. So I'll just show you later on how it looks like with the lights on. So please tune in. Hyundai logo with the hood lines all the way to the N badge. Front sensors. Now there's no radar, although there is some kind of safety tech there on the windshield. Now this is the wheel design. Michelin 245/35 ZR19s. These are performance tires, Pilot Sports. Has N calipers in red with ventilated discs and with the N center cap. The lower side, it also says N, so it is shared across different models, like also in Kona, also in Veloster. It has that N badge and also N accessories. So this one must be some sensor. Does come with a sunroof, black shark fin antenna, this kind of garnishings. There are plenty of black high gloss garnishings in this car. LED side repeaters, blind spot warning, and that's that. Remember, this is like an Altis or a Corolla in other brands. So the rear end looks so futuristic, very sharp, almost to the point, too sharp, it might bleed you. Just look at the design of the mufflers and this dumbbell shape of light bar all across the rear end. But mind you that it looks nice on with the lights on and even with the lights off. So that is very special design. 4-eye sensors. Oh, looks very fat and chunky. Rear diffusers and this F1 inspired reflector, or it could be a light. The camera is embedded here. Yes, this is the location for Hyundai cars. Black spoiler, the button to open the trunk. In Korea, it's Avante N. Too bad the lights for the plates are in bulb type. So that's how it looks like here. Everything well designed for aerodynamics. So it's not powered, but just look at that. That's a lot of space for a performance car. Tire repair kit, a brace, subwoofer is here. Now you can even pull down. Oh, this is cool. It's a bench type. Oh, so both sides needs to be pulled. Okay, now it will drop down. Wow. Just look at that. Although it folds, you cannot store long items because of the brace. But still, a practical option to have. Let's go inside and check out the interior. So, wow, it is like a cockpit of a spaceship. Alcantara with perforations, hard materials, speakers, power module, door handle, door bins, speaker, Bose speakers, N badge, manual seat, but it is an N series seat. Nice bolstering, it will hold you in your corners, and airbag is situated right there. The pedals are in sports pedal. Wow. Wow. It is like a cockpit of definitely not an Avante and not an Elantra. Wow. N series, NGS, N mode, the paddle shifters, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, hands-free controls, automatic lighting system, a manual windshield wiper, that's okay. Ambient light, two-zone or dual-zone climate control. There is no ventilated seat because of this sport seat option, but it still has heated seat. When you're living in Korea, you will need that option because it's freezing here. This is lane keep assist or steering, and this one is lane departure warning. So now this one is something that has been going, in the talks, because people say like, is there a function for that? But no, it doesn't have any function. So please do let me know what you think about that design. It doesn't even charge your phone. Screen 10.25, most probably 10.25 as well. Now when I change the modes, let's see what happens. Oh, that's custom. Okay, that's eco mode, normal mode, sport mode. Okay, NGS, so N green shift. It's like a booster for about 20 to 30 seconds. If you want to see it working, you may watch my Veloster N video. Manual control for the steering wheel, push start button, radio controls, physical buttons with volume dial. Amazing. 12-volt USB and charge port. There is a wireless charge pad as well, and gear shifter. Let's press the P. It doesn't come with 360 camera. Drive modes can also be accessed using these drive modes. Cup holders, there you can adjust the size. Manual handbrake, thank you Lord. And we do have this just in case you are going through the turns and you still need to hold on to something for your dear life. Center console with USB charger and a glove box, auto dimming mirror. Oh, how does it work? Oh, it even has sunroof. Oh, it doesn't slide. That is unusual. Also here. Very good. Now let me bring you to the second row. If you're enjoying this, please do subscribe and like this video for more. Thank you. The second row, suede material with heated seats for the second row. Yes, even though this is a performance car, look at this bucket seats, looks good. There are air vents at the back. Perfect. What else do you need? Cabin light, grab handles. Now it doesn't have bottle holders, so that's one minus factor. The headliners in black with airbags. Now, just looking at this car from the outside, I don't really care about its features as long as it goes fast. So yeah, amazing vehicle, especially in this color red. Now let me show you what engine it has. This is a 2.0 liter turbocharged. There you go. The N engine cover, insulation with manual strut. Fantastic. Now thank you everyone for watching this video. This is my first time to see the N Elantra or Avante. Please do let me know what you think about it. I really love the design. It is futuristic, young, looks quick. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This was Ju from SoJooCars. I wish I can drive this one, but I still don't have that much luxury of time. Wow, beautiful car. I hope you guys are safe wherever you are. May your dreams come true in this 2022. 안녕.